how to change my language on Skillshare. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can change your language on Skillshare. So kindly watch till the end, alright? First of all, log in into your Skillshare account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, if your language is English, just like mine, and you'd like to change it, just move to the top right corner where you see some icons such as the session icon, my classes, notifications icon, and then your profile icon. Just click on it, and then a drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu, you'll see options like my classes, account settings, language, team plans, refer a friend, redeem perks, etc. Ensure you click on language. So after clicking on language, you'll be brought to the language page automatically. And then once you're on this page, you'll see the language in which your Skillshare account is being displayed. So just click on the arrow next to it, and then you'll see the different options are available, the different languages are available. You can see German, you can see Espanol, you can see French, and then you can see Portuguese. So just go ahead and select the one you want. So for example, if it's French, you can select it and then scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. And then once you've done that, the language automatically changed to French, as you can see here. But for me, I want it to remain as English, so I'm just going to change it back now. So that is it. This is how you can change your language easily on Skillshare. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. If it has, ensure you subscribe and then like this channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.